Iko na moto haija fault. Good. So everything is okay. That's parallel.
That is serious.
Oh, that is serious. Oh yeah, that's serious. That's serious. You did serious fast.
Yes, I looked neutral using a stick.
Okay. Kuja nikushow. Ukiona hizo nini zote ziko hapa ni 7. Hizo lights. Kama kuna moja ama mbili hivi unaona zinaozea hazipigi full. Zinaweza piga kwa zinapiga full, lakini sio line zote zinapata nini moto. So unapata kama kuna half with discharge haitakuwa inapiga full. So you know your fence, yes, it is working, but not in full capacity. Yeah, there's something you forgot also to insert the battery, although we saw the battery did not have any material. But make sure that you don't leave it. In some cases, actually, the battery will not work. I mean, the system will not work until the battery is powered. And you even with a client, as I notice, machine iko na shida. I mean, battery imeisha, akiona machine ikianza kulia, inaanzanga kulia. Because the system is supposed to note that the battery is not also contributing. Yes, I think that's good. So I think that's okay. Now you can do some testing. Yes. That's good. Good. Yes. Good. You can cut a loop. Cut one of the loops. That's at the gate. Now the loop that you have cut, I guess, is for ground.
Yeah, it's for ground.
So it won't. I don't notice anything.
So
yeah, you can just cut a live one. Yes, a loop. You can remove instead of cutting. I think it will still be okay. Now that one. Good. That's okay. Should be able to work. That's very good. So you can see when somebody interferes with the ground and doesn't work, he definitely knows either the fence doesn't work or amekata neutral. So the next thing is guys are going to cut the loop for the adjacent wires. Then he knows it is working. If it doesn't, he knows the fence is not on. That's how lags are going to try the fence. Because especially most of them, they go for advice. Hii kitu inakuanga aje, then they'll they know, okay, that's very good. So they'll approach a fence with that kind, and they can use it. They can use those big cutters, and they won't have to touch it, and the whole thing will indicate where it is. Either it is silences if it is not working. If it's working, it will make the noise. And that's good. So I think the next thing is just do the parallel, and then it's quite easy. Just looping. Yeah, I think it's a 10 minutes thing. And then you leave it at that, so that when the other guy comes, he finds it working tomorrow morning.